Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a special recipe, pumpkin halwa, or you can call it Kashi Halwa. This is an amazing dish. So let's start. Why to waste time? Let's just get in the dish and start preparing. Use white pumpkin and remove all the seeds and remove the skin and wash the pumpkin thoroughly so you'll get a nice, healthy, delicious Kashi Halwa. Now let's grate the pumpkin. Once you grate the pumpkin, make sure you put it in a cloth and then squeeze all the water out. Squeeze it in such a way that it has no water in it. I've taken some sugar. It's the same amount as my grated pumpkin. The grated pumpkin. Don't get the huge pumpkin. Alright, now we will start. To start off, first I have a little bit of pumpkin water, which is equal to my grated pumpkin. Let's start cooking. And let's wait for the water to come to a boil. The water has come to a boil. Now add the pumpkin, the grated one, and cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the sugar. Now we will add a little bit of saffron. I've added a generous amount. Mix it. Add 1 pinch of salt. This will enhance our halwa's taste. Mix it. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Add a few drops of lemon. Now mix it. This will help not crystallizing the sugar. Listen to that sizzling noise. I've been mixing them for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it should be like this, sticking to each other. Now wait to eat it. So satisfying to look at it and like smash it and listen to that sizzling bubble. Add cardamom powder. Mix. Add a little bit of edible camphor. That'll give good aroma. Mix it. If you look at it, it looks like jelly. It's in the right consistency. Turn off the stove. Roast the cashew nuts in the ghee. That's all. Our pumpkin halwa, aka Kashi Halwa, is ready. Let's taste it. Let's take some. Oh, cashew nuts with it. They're not coming to me. Let me push it in. It is so delicious. The ghee that we added gives good richness for this dish. The camphor we added and the cardamom we added, they give real nice flavor for the halwa. Hope you guys like this recipe. Make sure to try it and share this video to your friends and make sure to subscribe Shami's Kitchen. And also guys, if you didn't know that I'm doing a giveaway and we only have few more days until I reach my 100th video, make sure to participate. The rules or the giveaway is in my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Bye!